How to simplify complex polynomial expressions. Imagine trying to solve a puzzle with many pieces scattered around. Simplifying polynomial expressions is like organizing those pieces so they fit together easily. When you work with polynomials, your goal is to make the expression as simple as possible. This helps you see what you are really dealing with and makes solving equations easier. First, understand what a polynomial is. It is a math expression made up of variables like x or y, raised to whole number powers, combined with addition, subtraction, or multiplication. Each part separated by plus or minus signs is called a term. For example, 3x squared plus 2x minus 5 is a polynomial with 3 terms. To simplify a complex polynomial, start by finding like terms. Like terms are terms that have exactly the same variables raised to the same powers. For example, for x squared and 7x squared are like terms because both have x squared. But 3x squared and 5x cubed are not like terms because the powers are different. Next, combine these like terms by adding or subtracting their coefficients. So, if you have for x squared plus 7x squared, you add the numbers in front to get 11x squared. This step reduces the total number of terms and makes the expression cleaner. If your polynomial has parentheses, use the distributive property to remove them. For example, 3 times the quantity plus 4 becomes 3x plus 12. Distributing means multiplying each term inside the parentheses by the number outside. When you see powers of binomials like x plus y squared, expand them using formulas. The square of a binomial is equal to the first term squared plus twice the first times the second plus the second squared. So, x plus y squared equals x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Arrange all the terms in order, starting with the highest powers of the variable and going down. This makes it easier to see the degree of the polynomial and helps with further operations. Sometimes, factoring the polynomial can make it even simpler. Factoring rewrites the polynomial as a product of smaller polynomials. For example, x squared minus 9 factors into x minus 3 times x plus 3. If your polynomial involves division, look for common factors in the numerator and denominator. Cancel these common factors to simplify the expression further. For polynomials with more than one variable, the same rules apply. Find like terms with the same variables and powers, expand powers, and organize the terms. Practicing these steps helps you work through complex polynomial expressions quickly. Simplifying makes it easier to solve equations, graph functions, and understand how polynomials behave. Remember, the key is to organize, combine, expand, and factor whenever possible. This way, polynomial expressions become manageable and less intimidating.